Which word means most nearly the opposite of placid? A. Confusing. B. Chaotic. C. Peaceful. Or D. Salient. As placid means calm and peaceful, let's try and locate the word whose meaning is most opposite to that. Confusing is a good contender, as something confusing could be wild and boisterous, which would be the opposite of placid. However, looking on, we see that our next choice is chaotic, which is a much closer opposite. While something confusing might be the opposite of placid, something chaotic definitely is. Taking a quick look at our other choices, we can see that peaceful is a synonym, not an opposite, and salient, meaning noticeable or important, doesn't have anything to do with placid, opposite or not. Based on this, we can mark B, chaotic, as our final answer.